Hello everyone. Is your BlueStacks emulator crashing repeatedly? Today in this video, I will guide you through simple steps to fix it and get back to enjoying your favorite apps. So let's jump in. So the first thing you will need to do is check if you are using the latest version of BlueStacks. So outdated software often cause crashes. First visit the official BlueStacks website to download and install the newest update. Now go to the BlueStacks settings and increase the allocated CPU cores and RAM. This will ensure the emulator has enough resources to run smoothly, especially for demanding apps or games. Now outdated GPU drivers can also cause crashes. So you will need to update your graphics drivers by visiting your GPU manufacturer's website, whether it is Nvidia, AMD, or Intel. Now, if you are on Windows, Hyper-V can conflict with BlueStacks. So you will need to disable it by typing turn Windows features on or off in the search bar and then checking Hyper-V from the list. You just follow these steps and your BlueStacks should run without issues. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.